Nikon or Nikon, however you want to call it, Coolpix and shoot camera. Very compact. Here we have a simple buttons. You have your scenes. You have your playback button. You have your flash, timer. And you have compensation. Here you got the macro, a little macro symbol here. It's a menu, and then your delete button right down here. And if you want to film movies or videos, you can just click on here. Here is the top part of it where you do a wide angle or a telescope. Your on-off button, 60 megapixels. You can do 1080p videos with this. It has a micro HDMI connector. Okay, so you can view your movies or pictures in HD right there. It has a tripod mount right here, so you can put it on a tripod if you're doing time lapses or night photography. Here is the USB audio video out. That's the USB connection right there. Spot for a strap, which is right here. You're gonna need a battery. Okay, so we got the lithium ion battery. This is EL12. Okay, this is not the original battery it came with. You can get this very easily. Of course, you need SD card right here. So let's access the SD card compartment, which is right there. It even tells you how to put it in. So there you go. We're gonna slide it in right there. Okay, and then the next step is we're gonna put the battery in, and then we're gonna turn it on so you can have a listen. So if you're putting it in wrong, like I just did there, you can just turn it around. You won't be able to. Okay, so let's get it in there. Close the compartment. Now, let's turn it on. Okay, see, it makes that sound, and then you're ready to take your pics. Now, I know that the SD card wasn't working, so if it's not compatible, you can just take it out and get a card that's compatible. So let's close that up, and let's take out the SD card because it does have internal memory. Okay, so. Oh, by the way, you can charge the battery on camera, so you don't need an external charger. So let me show you that right away. This connects right to the wall, okay? And this will charge your battery in camera. And the way you do that is you're going to connect it via the USB port that's at the bottom. Okay, once you have it connected, let's plug it in. Okay, this is how you know it's charging. You see the green light, it's gonna light up, and then you'll know that it's charging. So let's unplug it and plug it back in so you can see how that. Okay, so there you go. So that means it's charging now, and you're just gonna leave it, and then the battery will be charged and you're ready to take some pictures. But let me turn it on so you show you it does have internal memory, so you can actually take one or two photographs, but that's if you're in a pinch. And let's take one right now and let's see what that looks like. And it does have a flash, so the flash is going to go off. Well, I got plenty of light, so it didn't go off, but there you go. There's a photograph. If you want to view the photo, you can just hit play right there, and then you can see your picture there. You can even zoom in on it if you want. See, you can zoom in with the top toggle here. You go back and forth. Okay, you can get as close. Let's see, let's go as close as we can. Right about there. That's about as close as you're gonna get. So these are just a random shot, but I'm gonna put in some regular shots that I did outside, and then I'm also gonna put in some video with this camera. Okay, let's just take a look at that.